Hey everyone, it's Christopher and thank you for watching. Today I have an unboxing from Gucci. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Of course we have the Gucci bag, right, that everyone can't forget about.
Last shots.
Alright, and it did come also, not that it came with it, but this is what I got. Just my receipt. Purchased it from Saks Fifth Avenue. But it came in a box like this. This is something that I wanted for a while, since last season, and just didn't get around to really buying it. It was on my wish list, but other things came up and I bought this stuff instead of this and bought that instead of this, and finally I just said, you know what, the holidays are coming, I'm going to break down and just purchase this. When I did, before I purchased it, I really go to YouTube for a lot of information on a product before I buy it, and to my amazement, I didn't see an unboxing for this. So I definitely hope this helps someone out who's in the market for purchasing this, or thinking about purchasing this, or have this on your wish list. Alright, so let's open up the box. Alright, so I got the Gucci logo scarf. And it's in, has like a wool mix in it. And when it first came out, it came out in like a tan and brownish color. Then this color came out as well, and I just loved it, just because it's reversible, first of all. So you can wear like on the red and navy. You can wear the navy on the red side. So I just love it. I'll probably style it with a black coat, or maybe even a gray or a camel color wool coat. I have a navy beret hat that I purchased that will go perfectly with it, so definitely have some fun with this style. When I was traveling over the holidays, I seen someone in the airport, and he had the newest colorway, which is like a charcoal gray on one side and like a tannish color on the other, and he had these perfect boots that like matched. They were a tan color boot that matched, and I was low-key kind of jealous of them, and it also kind of made me want to purchase that colorway. But going back, I really feel like I made the best choice with this purchase. I cannot wait to style it. If you're not, please follow me on social media, on Instagram, on Facebook, to follow up with me and see how I style this scarf this season. It is the GG Freedom, and I'll list the item code and everything below, as well as the link on the Gucci site that you can purchase it if you would like to. So again, I'm just super excited about this scarf. I cannot wait to wear it, and I will be back with a review of how this scarf wears. I do have some other scarves. I have a Burberry and a Louis Vuitton, and this is my first Gucci scarf, so I'm just kind of anxious to see how it will wear. Well, I appreciate you watching. Bye for now. Have a great day and the best you. All right, bye-bye.